Welcome to Mientree. When you purchase a Mientree card, you get a working card with all your provided details pre-filled. If you prefer to edit your existing information, change your theme or even make your own card, then follow the steps explained in this tutorial. In order to create an account with Mientree, you will first need to visit our website at www.mientree.com. Once you're there, click on the User tab and choose Login for individuals and Enterprise for companies ordering more than 5 cards. If you haven't already created an account, you can fill in your details to register your email and password. Once you've created an account, log into your dashboard with your credentials. Here you'll be able to create digital profiles to share or manage existing profiles. Note that you can share unlimited digital profiles via your social handles. However, you can only tap and share one profile on your physical Smart Business card. For more details on this, contact us. To create your profile, just click the Create Card button on the top left of the dashboard and follow the instructions. When entering your phone number, remember to enter your country code starting with plus and not 00. If any category does not apply to you, please hit the skip button. Under Products and Services, you can upload up to 20 product images. Each file should not be more than 1 MB. Only JPEG and PNG files are supported. Once completed, you can preview your card. You have now successfully created your company's profile. Return to the dashboard and repeat the process to create multiple profiles. This is the profile that your client sees when you tap your Smart Business card or share your profile. Here the client can save your contact or share it with his team. Alternatively, his team can scan the QR code to view your profile on their device. They can even book an appointment with you provided you have enabled appointments. We will get to that in a bit. You can manage all your contacts in one place by going to Manage Customers. You can also upload your existing contacts by clicking the Upload Contact button. Here download the .csv format and complete your contacts list in the provided format. Once done, choose the file from your desktop device and hit Submit. To receive appointment requests, enable the appointment feature in the Appointment tab and set the time slot you are available and any comment you wish to leave for the client. We understand you have a busy day, and that is why we have a to-do list on your dashboard just to help you keep track of your day-to-day tasks. If at any time you forget your password, you can always reset it by going to My Account and requesting to update password. There you have it. You have now successfully learned how to access and manage your Mientree dashboard. Click on the User tab and choose Enterprise for companies ordering more than 5 cards. Once a user ID is created on your enterprise dashboard, you have admin rights to manage all of your team's cards, profiles, or alternatively you can provide them with the login credentials for their respective cards and they can log in and manage their profile from the individual dashboard. Once you have created your profile, click on Manage Users to see the cardholder's email ID, password and card ID number. If you'd like edit the cardholder's profile, select Manage Cards. Here you can view the profile or make edits to the card. Note that your wallet shows the balance points you have remaining. Each card costs 250 points, so make sure to top up so you can create new user accounts for your team. At any time you think you need assistance with managing your Mientree Smart Business cards, please feel free to get in touch with our support team who will guide you through the process. Thank you for choosing Mientree.